Meet Sipesihle Chibi. He runs this small fruit and vegetable business. Chibi is known on social media as Mr. Fruits and Vegetables.
Why our money leaves our communities and how to fix it. You earn money, but it never stays with you. Why? This is Inkarhi, it's time, and I'm Kondus, your host. Today we are fixing one of the biggest problems, our local economy. The problem: we get paid, then we spend at big stores. That money leaves our community immediately. Result: no local growth, no jobs, no businesses.
I spoke to this gentleman. I see your trolley is full of bridges.
The explanation: money must circulate locally. If I buy from you, you buy from someone else locally. That same money feeds many people. That's how strong communities are built. Examples: instead of buying vegetables from supermarkets, we can buy from local growers, support local services, build local supply chains. This is why I'm building my food system. I don't just grow food, I can sell locally. That keeps money in the community. The solution: start small, buy local once a week, support one small business, sell something yourself.
He quit his full-time job as a car salesman to pursue his business idea.
It's an idea that actually came about when I was actually sitting down, realizing how hard it is at this stage in time. I'm looking at people being retrenched, looking at people losing their jobs. There's a lot of things that we're facing as in the country, So the idea came about finding a solution than complaining.
Comment, buy local. If you understand this, next video we talk about skills that actually make money. This Kondus of Inkarhi is time signing off. Thank you for watching and take care.